Hello, my name is Brio Hamal, and I am a student in Genetics 311. Today, I'll be going over my Exam 2 mini video. I chose Prompt 1, so for my video, it will be dealing with epistatic pathways. The specific mode of epistasis I chose to go over was single recessive epistasis. For each of my crosses, the first thing I did was create a Punnett square. So for the dihybrid cross, these are the genotypes I came up with. We expect to see a 9:3 to 3:1 ratio, and we are looking for the phenotypic proportions of fur color in cats. Once I created my specific pathway, these are the results I got. We see here that they start at white, and enzyme A converts the fur color to orange, while enzyme B converts the fur color to black. Having both big A and big B leads 9 of them to be black. 3 of them are orange because they have the big A but do not have the big B, while the other 4 are white because they have the 2 little A's. The 2 little A here are epistatic to the others. Through this pathway, we get a 9:3:4 ratio, giving us single recessive epistasis. For the next cross, it was not a dihybrid cross, so our genotypes are a little bit different. We are still looking for the phenotypic proportions of fur color in cats. Through this specific pathway, we see the phenotypic proportions are different. We still start at white, and enzyme A converts to orange while enzyme B converts to black. We see here, though, that 8 are black while the other 8 are white, giving us an 8:8 ratio. 8 of them have the big A and big B, giving black fur color, while the other 8 have 2 little A's, which are epistatic, giving them the white fur color. The 8:8 ratio is not single recessive epistasis and is actually no epistasis at all. These were the specific pathways I came up with and the results I got. I appreciate your time and thank you so much. Have a great day.